Hey guys, it's me again. We are at the bird store right over there. I'm gonna zoom in. There it is, Exotic Bird Center. We're going there right now if we can get through this light. So how you doing, Dad?
Very good.
Okay. I don't know if you could hear that. It's kind of noisy. It's gonna be good. Okay, here we go. Yeah, there's a mirror. You can see the awesome camera. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna hop out now. Okay. Oh, should probably roll up my window.
Okay with you filming stuff in there?
Okay, here we go. Oh gosh. My legs. We drove a while, so. Oh wait, Dad! My money! Dad! My money!
What money?
Dad! I have 20 bucks inside. Stupid loud car. It's like in that compartment.
No money in there.
Oh, Dad. Okay, we're going in. Here it is. Whoa. Hi. Good. Okay. Here we go. Look at this cage. This is like awesome. Look how big that is. Look at this perch. I like this perch. This perch is pretty bomb. Whoa. Woot woot. Awesome. Okay. Let's go see the birds. Let's see. What's that? Amazon. Oh. Okay, here we go. There's a macaw. Hi, bird. Where's Clark? 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 There you are, Clark. Clark the bare-eyed cockatoo, as I like to call him. Hi, baby. Hi. Hello. Oh, I don't know if you can. Do you want to dance? Will you dance? Do you want to know what this is? Do you see that? Let's go check out some of the other birds. That's Caesar, the mascot. Clark's old cage. Let's see the parrot. Hi, bird. That's also one of the mascots. I don't think he really likes the camera. Whoa. I haven't seen that guy. Oh, that guy keeps turning at me. Can you dance? He was just dancing with me. Okay, so we have two old baby parrotlets. Oh, hi. I think this is like a Quaker parrot. I don't know. A peach-faced leopard. Let's see. Aww. Hi. Do you like camera? Okay. What's up, homie? Oh, man. He's awesome. Can you say hello? Hello? Oh, good boy. Oh, this guy was just talking. I don't know if you could hear him. Can you talk? Hey, Einstein, can you talk? You're smaller in reality than it really looks. Like, if you see these on YouTube like you are right now, these are actually kind of small. Like, if you've never seen one before in real life, they're actually pretty small. Like, you'd think they'd be like a normal parrot, but no. It's an Amazon. I don't think he really likes that camera, so I'm gonna stop. Hi, Clark. Oh, what is that? Oh. Clark, can you say hello? What? What? Oh. Here he comes. Hi, Clark. Hello. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Okay. See you guys later. Bye.